Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. So today, Olive will sharing with you all guys. So Olive, take your time.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Khalif Syamnugroho, and I'm gonna be your teacher today. So, why Japan has the best technology in the world despite America? So, the history is Japan's technological advancement is driven by a combination of significant investment in research and development or R&D, a robust education system, a strong culture of innovation, a close collaboration between the government and industry. He is more detailed. Strong work culture, precision and quality. Japanese culture places a high value on meticulousness and attention to detail, which result in high quality and reliable product. Dedication and innovation. The deep-seated culture of hard work and perseverance fosters continuous product improvement and innovation. Fusion of tradition and modernity. Japan has unique ability to blend ancient tradition with modern innovation, leading to the creation of sophisticated cutting-edge technology. Second, significant investment in research and development. Long-term focus. Japanese companies invest heavily in R&D to create new technologies and products with a long-term strategic focus. Government support. The Japanese government actively promotes technological growth and innovation through initiatives like the Cross Ministerial Strategic Innovation Promotion Program or SIP. Collaborative research. The government also provides funding for collaborative research projects with other countries, as seen in its support for research projects in ASEAN. Excellent education system. Emphasis on innovation. The Japanese education system places a strong emphasis on learning and innovation, which directly contributes to technological progress. Technical expertise. Japanese school and higher education institutions produce a highly skilled and educated workforce that serves as the backbone for technical development. Educational transformation. Schools in Japan are increasingly adopting learn digital technologies such as gamification and virtual and augmented reality to improve learning. 4. Strong collaboration between government, industry, and academia. Strategic partnership. There is a strong collaboration between universities, research institutions, and industrial players in Japan. This partnership facilitates the transfer of knowledge and technology and accelerates the commercialization of innovation. Pro-innovation policies. The government has established the Science, Technology, and Innovation Basic Plan to systematically promote policies that drive innovation. 5. Focus on strategic industries. Industry specialization. Japan has been a leader in several key sectors such as consumer electronics, robotics, and the automotive industry. It developed innovation like the lean product system, which has been adopted globally. Sustainable development. Japan continues to innovate in areas like green technology, life science, space exploration, and biomedical research. That's Japan. Let's get to the history. So the first technology that ever recorded is the stone system. Stone system is like the stone bed and the other stone that found 3.3 million years ago. That's very long, right? Like in the Mesozoic era. And that's like the most interesting thing. So that the lesson number one. Lesson number two, why Why America has the best technology too? America's technological leadership is a result of a combination of factors, including sustained government investment in basic research, a thriving ecosystem of private companies and universities, a culture that encourages risk taking, and a strong foundation in education and talent attraction. These elements have fueled the innovation in areas such as artificial intelligence, biotechnology, and software, leading to advancement across multiple sectors. Government and academic contribution. Research funding. The US government has a long history of funding fundamental scientific research, which has laid the ground for major technological revolution, including the internet, GPS, and AI. Agencies like DARPA and NASA exemplify this commitment to pushing technological boundaries. World-class universities. Top-tier universities like MIT, Stanford, and Caltech are hubs for cutting-edge research and produce a highly skilled workforce. They serve as a catalyst for innovation and often spawn new companies and technologies. Private sector and market dynamics. Entrepreneurial culture, a culture that rewards risk taking and view failures as a learning opportunity, encourage innovation. The US has a robust venture capital ecosystem that supports startups and helps them grow into major companies. Strong private companies. The US is home to many world's largest technology companies, including Google, Microsoft, and Apple, which drive innovation in various fields. Global market advantage. The strength of the US dollar gives American companies a financial advantage, enabling them to expand globally and dominate international markets. Education and talent. Technological literacy, the education system from K-12 to higher education is designed to build technological literacy and critical thinking skill from a youth age. Attracting talent. The US continues to attract top talent from around the world to its tech hubs, further fueling its innovation engine. Historical and geographical advantage. Industrial history. The nation's rapid industrial in the 19th and 20th centuries, fueled by abundant resource and navigable waterways, established a strong technological and industrial base. Geographic isolation. America's geographic isolation from major conflicts in Europe and Asia has allowed for a more stable and consistent environment for technological development and has protected it from the need to rebuild after wars. And competition and areas of weakness. Despite its strength, the US faces challenge and strong competition. Intense competition. Countries like China are closing the gap by heavily investing in emerging technologies. China has surpassed the US in the quantity of published AI research and AI related patents. Manufacturing vulnerabilities. The US is weak in semiconductor manufacturing compared to Taiwan, which produce the majority of advanced chips. Declining research funding. Some reports suggest cuts to academic research funding and increasing political polarization could hinder the US innovation ecosystem. Other global leaders. Switzerland frequently rank highest in overall innovation, and countries like Sweden and South Korea are like in specific fields like digital infrastructure and connectivity. Then, example of US strength. You know that I said is US strong, and this is the strength. Artificial intelligence. The US has a strong lead over China in private AI investment and in producing high quality AI research. Biotechnology. Supported by leading universities, the US continues to show strong innovation in this area. Software. The country is home to tech giants like Google, Apple, and Microsoft. Semiconductor design. While manufacturing is centered elsewhere, the US excels in chip design, cybersecurity, and defense technologies. The US maintains a strong position in advanced defense technologies, including cyber warfare, space technology. Organizations like NASA and private companies like SpaceX are driving new advancement. Factors driving US technological leadership. Government investment. Federally funded research has historically been bedrock for many technological breakthroughs, including foundational work for the Internet, artificial intelligence, and biotechnology. Agencies like the RPA and NASA have been critical in developing transformative technologies. Okay, now for the last lesson today is why Korea has a lot of technologies. South Korea has become a technology leader due to a combination of government-led investment in R&D and infrastructure, a culture that embraces innovation and a highly competitive market. The government invested heavily in developing a strong telecommunication infrastructure, leading to some of the world's fastest internet speeds, while also strategically supporting domestic technology companies to become global giants. This focus on technology from both public and private sectors, coupled with the population that is eager to adopt new technologies, has created a powerful innovation ecosystem. Government support and strategy. Strategic investment after the Korean War, the government shifted from relying on foreign technology to fostering homegrown industries, R&D investment. South Korea consistently ranked as one of the world's top investors in research and development as a percentage of its GDP. Infrastructure and development. The government have made massive long-term investment in digital infrastructure such as broadband and government-led cloud service to support technological growth. Competitive market and culture. Industries competition. Fierce competition among domestic companies such as Samsung and LG drive them to innovate constantly to survive and lead the market. Chaewons, largest industrial conglomerate or chaebols, were given an incentive and set performance target by the government, which helped them grow into major global players like Samsung and Hyundai. Consumer adoption. The South Korean population is very tech savvy and quick to adopt new technologies, creating a ready market for new innovation. Focus on human capital and education. STEM education. There is a cultural emphasis on STEM, science, technology, engineering, and mathematics education, which is seen as crucial for economic growth. Highly skilled workforce. The country has a strong human resource base in science and technology, which is a key factor in its technological development. Okay, guys, I think that's the lesson for today. If I any say any bad words or something, I'm sorry because I'm a human. Okay, assalamualaikum.
Okay, thank you, Khalif, for your explanation. Apa for your explanation. So I hope this lesson will be good. And thank you. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.